Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 3 of starting my AI automation agency. I'm testing out a new lighting and camera settings, so I hope this looks better. I think it will, so I'm going to be really sad if it does because it's taken me years to figure out how to use this gear. Apart from that, today I didn't really have much time to work because I still work full-time, 8 hours, and I'm getting ready to move out of this house, so I had to fix some plumbing issues. Went ahead and fixed the bathroom drip, so you can call me a part-time plumber now. Um, on a real note, super exciting time, but back to the automations. So today, with the limited hour and a half that I had to work, or 2 hours, I really just locked in my form for my calendar submission. And this really did two things. It allowed me to set a foundation of my what my outbound is going to be built off of. So when I do reach out to these leads, I'm going to be sending in the calendar. I went ahead and condensed the URL because I'm using Lead Connector, which is an API, super ugly. If I were to plug that into an email, which is just GoHighLevel's native integration that they use. But really, this just built the foundation of what my outbound is going to be built off of. I added some qualifying questions such as how many leads they're getting and from what channel. Also, what else did I add? Also, what their number one challenge with leads is. So, with the number one challenge with leads, this is going to give me a pain point to which I can send my personalized message that I run through AI. This will also be a proof of concept that I know AI automations. This is going to be sent out to them once they opt in, and it's going to be a confirmation as well as a follow up 30 minutes before the appointment, and it's going to have all the personalized messages, SMS, and email that I'm going to be sending out. It's going to give me ammo for the sales call, and it's also going to give me an idea of where they're at and if they're qualified to see a return on the investment for automations. If they're not getting that many leads, they might not get a return on the 1,000 investment that I'm charging for the starter pricing. This doesn't matter. I'm not really doing any qualifications yet. I did get some information from a course that I'm taking that you shouldn't really be qualifying leads, as in not taking anyone at first. Um, you should just take anyone that you can. So I am going off of that. Um, but yeah, I just got this information, gonna build it into the form, and that's basically all I did today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Just gonna be documenting this. I've been pretty consistent as of late, but I don't know how long that'll be. I just really turn on the camera when I feel like it, and I've been feeling like it recently. It helps me organize my thoughts after the end of the workday, which is why I don't have as much energy as I usually do in my videos because it's like almost always past 11. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really hope you enjoyed the little progress update today. And drop a comment if the camera looks better than the previous videos. Thank you.